In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the mobile navigation font size and site styles. If you want your mobile menu text to be easier to read, better balanced, or more consistent with the rest of your website design, this is a quick setting you can adjust directly inside your site editor. The change is simple, but it can make a big difference in how polished your mobile experience feels. To get started, open your website editor and look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll want to click Site Styles, which is represented by the paintbrush icon. This area controls the overall visual styling of your site, including typography settings that affect different parts of your design. Once you're inside Site Styles, click Fonts and then choose Assign Styles. This section lets you control how font styles are applied across specific site elements. If you've never used this area before, take your time here because it's where you can fine-tune typography without having to edit each section manually. After that, scroll down until you find Mobile Nav. This is the setting that controls the appearance of the text in your mobile navigation menu. Since mobile screens are smaller, font size matters a lot here. If the text is too small, it can be hard for visitors to tap or read comfortably. If it's too large, the menu can feel crowded or uneven. When you locate Mobile Nav, adjust the size slider to your preferred scale, using either pixels or rem values depending on how your editor displays it. Move the slider gradually and pay attention to how the menu text changes. A slightly larger size can improve readability, while a slightly smaller one may help if your menu items are wrapping awkwardly. As you make your adjustment, try to keep your overall site design in mind. The mobile navigation should feel visually consistent with your headings, buttons, and body text. If possible, preview the result on a mobile view before finalizing it so you can make sure the text looks clean and easy to use on smaller devices. Once you're happy with the size, save your changes. That's it. Your mobile navigation font size is now updated. This is a small design tweak, but it's one of those details that can really improve the user experience, especially for visitors browsing on phones. If you're refining your site for better usability and a more professional look, this is definitely a setting worth checking.